5 Best Wet Dry Shop Vacs Reviews. Number 1. DeWalt 12-gallon Poly Wet Dry Vac. We know getting the finest deal often falls flat while we can't get to see the best output. Different shop vac comes with different good sides along with a few drawbacks. Hopefully, from our following picks, you will find the best deal. The toughness comes with the hand of DeWalt products, and this product is the best commercial shop vac ever. Because it is as immersive and powerful as you are expecting. The best feature we found with it is to have sturdy construction and empowered by a 5.5 horsepower motor. That being said, it can bring a huge power for the maximum cleanup tiresome job. Number 2. BOSH Vac 090A 9-gallon Dust Extractor. Optimum dust collecting efficiency of this wet dry vac makes it a second choice for constructor after dual. The dust extractor provides max airflow, 150 cfm, and the highest water lift, 97 inch, to let you suck away hard to remove dust. For maintaining cleaning performance, it comes with an automatic cleaning filter. It cleans the filter every 15 seconds to ensure the vac provides immersive suction continuously. So, no suction loss occurs, which lets you pick up debris optimally. Number 3. Vacmaster Professional Wet Dry Vac. When it comes to telling about the best suction power, Vacmaster Professional comes to our mind. It is a corded version beast-like vac that tackles almost every job around home, garage, job site and many more. Having the immense power and airflow, it tricks with the dirt and debris and taking them inside the tank. Turns out you will have maximum cleaning experience. Aside from the amazing suction ability, it has a huge 16-gallon tank, giving you more space to operate and clean more stuff. Also, you may easily empty the large tank using the quick drain. The handheld version vac is easily convertible from suction mode to blower mode. if necessary.
Number 4. Stanley Wet, Dry Vacuum. Stanley brings the most efficient shop vac in case of convenience. Truly it is a breeze for those who want a small area cleanup without making any fuss. The tank size is 6-gallon and powered by 4-horsepower motor, seems like it is great for a 1,200 square foot garage or job site. You would fall in love with this small vac functionalities, as it comes with 3-in-1 versatile operations, making it a true wet-dry machine. The cleaning reach is also great, with its 16-feet cord, it allows you to have maximum cleaning up. Apart from that, you won't need to regret attachments. Because Stanley Vac comes with all essential attachments, they are hose, crevice nozzle, extension wands, floor nozzle and filter clamp etc. Number 5. Shop Vac 5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum. The last one from Shop Vac comes with a small design but it offers the best durable body, made of stainless steel. The reason we enlisted it on our review is because it is powerful and portable both. The 4.5 horsepower motor can blow and suck almost anything and the 5-gallon steel tank is easy to mobilize. After the design and portability feature, the thing we love to see is its versatile accessories. Among the common attachments, you would love to see gulper and floor nozzles, they are pretty effective to kick out the hidden dirt or debris. However, it comes with the downside with the short power cord.
Oh.